Hello, GVOs. This video help you to the top secret to getting a listing in our website into the Google in under 24 hours. But actually once we can be add in our URL into the Google, then we can be easy to search very top of the page in our Google search. Okay, right, fine. But actually you may or you may not have here people to claim you had listed in Google in only 24 hours. It seems that really 100% of people they can be run across a form act like a in order to get indexing by Google in 24 hours. Okay, fine. Well, the truth of the matter is getting listed in Google in under a day in our qualities. For example, in a website like www.thetutorialguru.com. This is in my own website. Okay, fine. But actually, some of the users they can be checking in our website inside the Google search engine easily within less time. But actually, this type of website we don't hear. But what is the exact name of the URL? Then immediately I'm going on to log in the Google search engine and going on to search for the website like this is the way google.com, like the tutorialguru.com. Yeah, this is the way you can be going on to check if the website is going on to index it inside the Google, yes or no. Okay, but actually some of the website they are not registered inside the Google search engine. Then it is easy to if you have to going on to register new URL inside the Google. Okay, right. If you go to the Google and enter just like at www.thetutorialguru.com into the search box, we will see the result like the results are written see below like this is the tutorialguru.com free online video tutorials web design free, yeah, so and so the information can be listed inside the search engine. Yeah, but in some cases like this is the way the guru tutorial.com, but here the exact website or web URL are not listed inside the Google search engine. But what is the exact problem is here, like the results are not displayed. The reason of the no results appear in because our website is new and it is not in Google in index yet. Okay, right, fine. If you are not the listing in the index, you are sent can the sent canvas site cannot be the ranked by the because they don't know your site exists. So in order to rank in Google, you must first get into their indexing. Once your website in the indexing page inside the Google and you do the search like the did above, you will see the screen below. Like this is the not listed for in our exact website name. For another example is like www.virtuesglobal.com. Okay, this is in my website, but actually this website this web URL can be directly registered inside the Google indexing search page. Okay, but in case in some points in our website name it cannot be displayed or it cannot be listed in our listing of the pages, then what will be happen? But notice your website, the actual website and URL it cannot be registered inside the Google index search engine. But how we can be add in our web URL inside the Google search engine? Okay, right. Now that we have to got that about the way, let's talk about the what is the reason to add the URL inside the Google search engine. Okay, right. This is the drives the melody crazy when I say the people during this, and it is the actual what it did, and one time as well. The following URL might look like familiar to use, but how to add the Google search engine means just open a new window and going on to www.google.com/add URL. This is the URL path to add in our newly designed web site inside the Google search engine. Okay, just press the enter key. After that, immediately we can be log in our Google page, like this is the way. Okay, then you can be enter in our web URL name is here, like www.gymshyd.in. okay, this is the URL. Okay, actually the Google add new sites to your index, and which it can be updated within 24 hours. Just you can click here, submit request. Okay, right, your request has been received and will be processed shortly, but actually the maximum time can be taken for add the URL inside the Google search engine within 24 hours. This is the Google actual website submission form. The state you have to can use the form to submit your website to their indexing of websites, and it can take up to 6 weeks for websites to be placed onto their index. But actually we can be sending the forms, the form set will be taken up to minimum 1 week to 4 weeks. Then it is the easy way if you are to going on to submit your URL into the, this is the web URL inside the search engine console. Like actually once if you are to going on to submit your URL, then it will be going on to take a just wait for your website to be placed in our their index rotation. Okay, let along get it to the top ranking. Okay, but actually if you do not never use the Google submission form, because why you should never use the form of any other of the top search engine submission forms for the matter. These search engines includes Yahoo, MSN, or any other search engines. So how do you get your website indexed within 24 hours? Okay, right. Let us look take your website like which is a global for now, and I will take you through the steps you have to new to do to get indexing by the Google in under 24 hours guaranteed. Okay, fine. But actually once if you are going on to register your web domain inside the Google search engine, so you are looking after the top ranking websites for the search term, like which is globals. You should try to find website with a page ranking of 5 to or any other higher ranking. Okay, after completion of to add the URL, then you can be going on to sign out. Just you can be open a new window or any current window like google.com. just if I to going on to check here gymshyd.in. yeah, here showing result for AIMS, but gyms hyd.in is not showing inside the list. So just if I have to waiting up to 20 before 24 hours or after 24 hours, immediately it can be display the listing of the page. Okay, I hope that you can be easy to understand how to add the URL into the search engine indexing. Okay, fine.